Alright, so for this video, I had a little bit of a boo-boo and broken RCA in an amp. Well, I'm going to show you how to get that out. You can use a needle and a lighter. I could not find a needle and a lighter, so I'm going to be using my little blowtorch here and this little stick. It's for my 3D printer, but it works for everything. Or you could use, like, you know, a paper clip, whatnot. You want to make sure you get whatever you're using really nice and humble. Alright? And then you're going to stick it carefully in the RCA and let it cool. I'm going to turn off the blowtorch. I'm going to give that a minute to cool nice and good. And then you pull it outwards. Yeah, it's still hot. A needle would probably be better because it's smaller. It won't displace as much of the plastic. So and there it is. The broken RCA came out right there. And that's how you do that. Broken RCA out of an amp. Cheap, easy, quick. Boom.